It's the day that we put the Z into the workshop. Hopefully everything is all snogged. Yes, it is now on the way to the shop, our shop. It's pretty wild still to say that. That's insane. We don't have a long drive, so hopefully everything goes okay. Woo! Yeah, this is the first time that I'm doing it, so yeah, hopefully the car doesn't fly off. Oh man, ooh, I'm actually really nervous. I'll see you guys at the workshop and let's try to unload this thing. Yeah, okay, let's go. All right, so we're in the shop, and so that means Merc has to go down outside so we could get the Z in here, in this space right here, and then we'll put the Merc back in, and then we'll see how we can figure it out. There's an aeroplane. I know we can fit 2 cars in here, so we'll see what we can do. Yeah, let's put the Merc down, let's put the Merc outside, and then we'll put the Z in. Alright my dudes, so the Z is pushed in. Well, it's outside, but it's in. It's in the gates. I just dropped off the trailer because I was already like an hour late over the booking type thing. I can now say I've trailered a car. It was pretty hectic. I ain't gonna lie, it was pretty hectic. It took me like a whole 2.5-3 hours to put the car on the trailer, strap it down and everything. Yeah, I'm happy the car survived. I'm happy I didn't hit anyone. I'm happy the car didn't fall off the trailer, because yeah, this video would have gone a very different way if that happened. And also I got some news with the cars that I need to tell you guys about. Let's get back to the workshop and let's fit these cars into the workshop and just, oh, happy days. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Like, my motivation for cars were just going lower and lower and lower, and I realized it was because of the Z, and I haven't worked on the Z, and the Z is just in the garage doing nothing. So I was like, I need to get the Z into the workshop so I can work on it and do all that good stuff and get back into loving cars again. Or I always love cars, but like, I don't know, like, have you guys ever had that? You guys, your car is broken, or like your car isn't, ooh, woo. Have you guys ever had that? Like, your car is like broken or it's not running and your motivation just goes super low, even though you have another car. Well, that sounds very privileged. Yeah, even though I had the Merc, it wasn't the same. It is the next day, because yesterday was a hectic day. Like, it took so long and it was hot, and yeah, I was just over it. But anyways, we've got both of the cars inside the workshop now. We got the Z here, and we got obviously the Merc still here. We need to wash this down, because let me tell you, the amount of spider webs that I have found in the car, around the car, not in the car, but around the car, is insane. Every time I come into the shop, there's spider webs everywhere, and I've already found like 5 or 6 redbacks around the car. Yeah, so I want to get rid of that ASAP, so I just want to wash it down. And yeah, I don't want any spiders in here. Look at this garage right now. It's almost done. We got both the cars in, but bro, look, man. Oh, we've got a lot of work that we need to do to the Z. I lied. We can't hose down the Mac because your boy forgot the freaking adapter to the... Why am I driving freaking reverse? Because your boy forgot to bring the adapter to the freaking water tap thing. Far out, man. Oh, I guess we're bringing the back into the garage. So this means we should actually start work on the Z. Actually, I think that's what we might do. First things first, I need to take these wheels off and take off the spacers. I need to put this back to stock because it needs to go through rego and through the pits and everything to get it registered. You guys see the Merc in the back right now? That's no longer going to be our car. Yes, the Merc is going to get sold. The reason being, I want to spend more time on Z and put effort and all the money I have into the Z and not half-ass 2 builds. I was thinking about it and I have not done this car justice, and I love making Z content. Like, it's fun, you guys love it. I want this car to be the best Z in Perth, the best Z in Australia. Like, that's what I want to make this Z. Yeah, we've got big shoes to fill. Okay. Oh, dude. Dude. It's not seized on, it's not nothing. Bruh, let's go. Spacers are, oh, one spacer is off. Yes, I did run spacers with the stock wheels because we needed good fitment. Even on stock wheels, you need good fitment. 25 mil in the rear, 20 mil, 22 mil spacers in the front. That's what you need for flush fitment on stock wheels. So, yeah. You're welcome. So while the car is off the road, I do want to do a bunch of like preventative maintenance stuff just so the car is ready for the next phase, because the next phase is going to add a lot of stress to the engine and a lot more horsepower to the engine. So I want to do like new oil gallery gaskets and a bunch of new gaskets and all that, just so I know the car is good. I'm excited. Ooh. Put it down in the comments below what you guys think the next phase is going to be, because I'm telling you, it's going to be so much fun. Reality right now is putting this back to stock, running and registered. So we're going from literally zero. The only way from rock bottom is up. That's motivation for you today. The next thing is I want to take off this hood because it will just make life a lot easier to go around the engine and not have to worry about this. Hopefully it's okay doing it by one person. Surely, right? Wonder how heavy this hood is. Oh my goodness. Oh, you know, I forgot to take off all the white, like the lines. Oh no. Oh, I totally forgot about it. Oh, whoo. Don't fall on me. Don't fall on me. Holy shit. I am good. I'll use my head. You know what? Oh, yes. I did it. Oh, shit. Let's go. Oh. What are those sound effects? Yeah. Not gonna lie, if you take these off first, it'll make your life a lot easier. A lot easier. I had to rest the hood on my head. Got it. Fine. What? This wasn't even plugged in. It was just sitting there. Guys, those are going in the bin. Look at the state of these front fender guards. Bruh, half of it is missing. This part is supposed to go to like here, but that's how much it is. That's fun. That's fun. I need to get a new set. Take off this strut bar. It needs to come out because of the intakes. And two, I want to repaint these because it's blue. I don't want it blue. Oh. Oh. I hate these parts. Wait, what? You guys didn't see this shit? I don't know why there's two freaking nuts on it. Always remember to put the bolts and nuts back where they belong So it makes your life easier when you're putting stuff back and you don't miss any bolts. And you're like, oh, where's that bolt? Where's that nut? Yeah. Put them back where they belong. Where's my other nut? I went from having an extra one to losing one. Am I losing my mind? Oh, you know what might have happened? I took that nut out and it was stuck in here. And then when I put this on here, that's why it didn't reach. So it wasn't an extra nut. It was just one from there that went into... Okay. Bro. We should probably do the intakes, because these obviously have to come out because they're not stock and they come down to... You can see the bottom there. Yes! One out. So we pretty much got half of the front end off that we need. So yes, we're making decent progress on the Z and getting it back to stock. We still have a couple little things that we need to do. I've now made a list on the windscreen of what we need to do and what we need to like buy and take off and things like that. So we are on top of it. In a couple days, I've got a guy coming here and diagnosing the car again, because I'm not happy with the diagnosis that I got before, because yes, some things didn't line up. I just want another like opinion and just get it diagnosed again so I can fully confirm on what I need to buy. But in the meantime, we need to get the car back to stock and get it ready for pits when it does run and everything. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, click that like and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, take care, bye.